In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import captions into your CapCut mobile project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring in a ready-made subtitle file so your video is easier to follow, more accessible, and search-friendly. Start by opening the CapCut app on your phone and importing the video you want to work with. Create a new project if you need to, select your clip and let it load onto the timeline. Make sure the video is visible in the timeline before you move on. This ensures the captions have something to attach to. Next, look for the captions option in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Depending on your layout, you might need to swipe along the toolbar to find it. Tap Captions to open the caption tools. Inside this section, find and tap the Import Subtitles button. This is the feature that allows you to bring in a subtitle file you've already prepared. When the file picker opens, navigate to your subtitle file and select it. The most reliable format is .srt, which includes time codes that tell CapCut exactly when each line should appear. If you've created the file yourself, make sure it's properly timestamped and saved in UTF-8 encoding to avoid strange characters. Once you've chosen the correct file, tap Import. CapCut will place the captions on a track aligned to the timing in your file. Press play to preview and check that the text appears at the right moments. If the captions look slightly early or late, that's often due to differences in frame rate or the way the original file was timed. You can make minor nudges or trims later if needed, and you can also adjust the style such as font size, color and background right within the captions tools, so your subtitles are easy to read on mobile screens. If you don't see the captions option, try swiping the toolbar or updating CapCut to the latest version. If import subtitles is grayed out, make sure your video is already on the timeline and that your file is stored locally on your device rather than in a cloud location that hasn't finished downloading. And if your text shows odd symbols, resave your subtitle file with UTF-8 encoding and import again. That's all there is to it. Open your project, head to Captions, tap Import Subtitles, choose your file and import. With your captions in place, your video is clearer, more inclusive, and ready for viewers who watch without sound. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with CapCut.